Fixing tiny text in Gmail on Windows takes just a couple of seconds so you can read your inbox comfortably without straining your eyes. The absolute fastest way to adjust your screen is by using a simple keyboard shortcut right inside your web browser. All you need to do is hold down the Control key on your keyboard and tap the plus key. Every time you press plus while holding Control, the text and buttons inside Gmail will grow larger. If you accidentally make things too big, simply hold down the Control key and tap the minus key to scale everything back down. You can also hold down that same Control key and scroll up with your mouse wheel to zoom in, or scroll down to zoom out. The important thing is to keep the trade-off in mind when adjusting these settings. When you zoom in on your browser, the text becomes much easier to read, but you trade away overall screen space. As elements get bigger, fewer emails fit on your inbox page at once. In addition to that, your sidebar folders might get squeezed, or buttons like Compose might shift around and require you to scroll down more often to navigate your account. Now, that goes both ways. If you zoom out too far to fit more emails on screen, your eyes will work twice as hard to read subject lines. Finding the right balance depends entirely on your monitor size. If you prefer using your mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts, you can control the zoom level directly through your browser menu. Move your cursor up to the top right corner of your screen. Click on the three vertical dots if you are using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, or click the three horizontal lines if you are in Mozilla Firefox. Scroll down to where it says Zoom. You will see a minus sign, a percentage number showing your current scale, and a plus sign. Click that plus sign to increase the page size step by step until the text feels right. If you ever want to return everything back to the standard view, click the percentage number or press Ctrl and the 0 key on your keyboard to instantly reset your display back to 100%. In my case, sometimes changing the browser scale alone is not enough, and you might also want to adjust how spaced out your emails appear inside Gmail itself. You can do this by looking at the top right area of the Gmail interface and clicking on the gear icon to open Quick Settings. Right at the top of that side panel, you will see density options labeled Default, Comfortable, and Compact. Selecting Comfortable gives your messages larger padding, making each row much easier to target and read. Pairing this setting with a slight browser zoom gives you the clearest reading experience on Windows.